Welcome to Cooking Life with Des. Andito na naman po ang inyong cook na mayabang ngunit hindi mayaman. Today, magluluto tayo ng Hyderabadi Baingan. These are the things that we need. We need 1 kilo of round-shaped eggplant, baingan or talong. Let us cut the top but don't cut it all. We can also cook it. Then, get a bowl. 1 teaspoon of salt, add water on it, make it full, and then cut the baingan by 4. Don't remove the top. Let it be there so that it can hold the baingan until it get cooked. Then make sure to check the baingan inside to make sure that there is no worm or any other insect on it. Then, after cutting, dip it on the water with the salt, right? Just like this. Dip it all so that it will not get black or whatever germs that it has, it will be all killed. Heat the frying pan for 30 seconds. Add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Fry 3 medium-sized sliced onion. These are the nuts or seeds that we will be needing, and the quantity of it will be written on the description below. Please check it there. We will be grinding the seeds and the nuts all together, and actually before you grind, you should fry it first. But then I forgot, so I will be frying it after this. We need coconut powder as well, and here I use half cup of coconut powder since I love coconut. So it's up to you if how much do you want. After grinding it, mix them all together. 1 cup or 3 pieces of tomatoes as well. We also need 3 pieces of green chili. But it's up to you. It depends on your preference. Then put them all in the blender with the fried onion. Then add a little bit of water. Then blend them all together. The mixture is now ready. Let us fry the coconut and the nuts that we have grinded all together until it turns brown. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix them all, and then after that, once it becomes like this, add 3 tablespoons of oil and then mix it again until it turns more brown, but it should not be burned. So it should be like this. Then now it's ready. Let us add the mixture. And then mix it well, just like this. Right? Actually, it will look like a gravy. On mixing and frying it until the oil gets separated from the mixture. Now, you will notice that the oil is separating from the mixture. So, we will be adding 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. It's up to you. If you don't want spicy food, you can just skip it. And the amount of the chili depends on your preference. 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. Mix it well. After that, add 1 glass of water. Mix it well and let it boil for 5 minutes. The gravy is now ready. let us add or put the Baingan. And then cook it on slow fire. After placing them nicely, let us cover it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, it will be like this. So, it's half cooked. Turn them slowly. Be careful and make sure to not destroy the shape of the Baingan or the eggplant. Cover it again for another 15 minutes, but make sure that the fire is in a low fire. Then, time to time, you have to turn the Baingan or the eggplant slowly and make sure that you won't break it. Now, let us add half cup of tamarind or sampalok paste. This will make the taste more tasty. Let it melt. Actually, it's icy because it's from the freezer. Cover it again for another 15 minutes in a very low fire. Then, check it after 15 minutes and it will be like this. See? It's almost done. The water is also getting less and the gravy is getting more and more sticky. And the Baingan or the eggplant is getting softer as well. It is now cooked, so let us add 12 pieces of whole red dried chili. And then let it boil for a while, for at least 3 minutes. Right? And after that, mix it again a little bit, turn, but make sure not to over mixed to avoid destroying the Baingan or the shape of the Baingan. Now it's ready, so let us cover it and let it boil for at least 5 minutes more in a very low fire. And now after that, you can see that it will be like this. This time, turn off the fire. It's ready. This is all for today and thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe and of course the bell and share. Thank you.